Hello, everyone, and welcome to October. Today's Saturday of the first week, and this is lesson number 8. This is a flute lesson, lesson 8. We just have 2 more lessons to complete the beginner course of beginning how to play flute. And today's lesson, I would like to talk to you about how to properly care for your instruments. So let's grab our flutes. We open it up. Now, there are a couple of things. When you take care of your instruments, don't be in a hurry to put it away or get all so anxious about it. Just relax, take your time, clean it. I have some jewelry cloths that I recommend. I had these over 20 years old, and this is one of my favorite ones. So just recently I got a new one. This gray one is the new one. And this pink one, I had this one forever. So this is who it's by. I don't know if they still make them or not, but you can check online at Amazon or Plus Compare that allows you to have it. So this is what we do. Take your finger, go like this. I know it's a little gross, but don't worry about it. Take it and rub it against your flute. Or if not, dip your finger into water and then just start polishing. You want to keep it polished. This part to keep it nice and shine. See where I'm doing it? Like right here. Just wipe it all around. Take it. Make sure this part is kept tight. Just give it a good, until it's nice and shine. There you go. And then set it down with your foot. Do the same thing. Clean it all the way around. And do it like this. With the cloth, that's all you have to do. Just take a rag and just wipe it down. But I would recommend just getting a little bit of water and putting it, let's see, right around this here on the middle part of the mouth. And if you have a brush, this brush is really handy. This thing is so old that I have barely ever used it, to clean it. All I do is just go like this, and it comes off really easy. Just take your brush, see the hole, take your brush, stick it in there, give it a good wipe. Go to the other end of the hole, and give it a good wipe. Go through a whole thing, take it out, swerve it around. That's it. Got a little bit of cold today, so excuse me if I sound a little funny. Just do this a few times until you feel like it's been cleaned. And once it's been cleaned, stick it back in there, and it keeps the dust out in the middle part. Take your cloth and just go around it gently, not in a hurry, and things like that. Also, if you have trouble with this part right here, you can always get it plugged in, and it will save you the aggravation of not being able to blow properly. I've always had trouble because my fingers are kind of small, my hands are, and that's why I've always had a hardest time going over here. I can't roll my R's either. I never learned how to flutter. If you know how to roll your R's really well, you can flutter on here, make special technique sounds. And you can also do the banging, the tapping. Makes a nice tapping sound. Anyway, this is it. And if you want to get rid of the wax or that unnecessary uneasy feeling, I would take one of these papers. This is a special flute paper or for any woodwind instrument paper. Rip one out gently. Set it down. And place it. You see the key right there where I'm tapping? Stick it underneath there. Hold it down and lift up. Do this a few times. And then do the same thing under each key. This to get the dust off and keep it from getting too yellow. I don't know if you can see that. Like, see where the it's underneath the key. Just go like that. And then do it again. Do each and every one of the keys. Go all the way down. Get in there, you. What a sense of humor. I grabbed 2 by mistake. I don't know how that was possible, but anything's possible. And 1 more key. Get in there. And there it goes. Anyway, once that's done, set it down, put it back in your case. Do the same thing on the foot. Let's put 1 down. How about that? And stick it under. Wipe it out. Do the same one in the middle. At the same time. There you go. Now, don't forget to clean your foot. I think we forgot to clean the foot. Anyway, let's go back to the foot. Take it out. Stick your brush. Stick it in the hole. All you have to do is just go like this a few times. It's more easier to get this brush than it is to use any other method. I find the brush is better. It lasts a long time and you don't have to change as often. And you can clean the brush easily by getting a paper towel and or just go like this. Nothing's on the brush, and you know it's very soft. It's not even wet, and just stick it back in there. Anyway, this lesson number 8 dedicated all to the cleaning and proper care for your flute. Now, lesson 9 and the final lesson 10, we'll go ahead and review of all what we have learned. So just be ready to play along with me of the songs that we have learned from the beginning, from Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Brother John, and the chromatic scale, flute, C major, A minor, and that's it. And then if we have time on lesson 10, we'll learn a whole new brand new song. And then we'll, you know, end the lesson there. Thank you all for joining my channel. I know I get busy on the outside of the world, and so hopefully you have fun with me on this lesson. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the final 2 lessons of the flute series. This is learning how to play flute. And if you want to check out my Instagram, I have Instagram now. It's Sewing for Hobby. Just type in Instagram, Sewing for Hobby. Not many posts yet because I'm still trying to figure out how it works. You know, old timers, you know, we don't know too much about this stuff, but the younger generation, they know everything. But anyway, don't forget to check out my blog called Sewing for Hobby, blogspot.com, and I'll see you all in the next lesson number 9. This is lesson 8. Bye, everybody.